Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I just want to remind you about the sequence you need to do when you are dealing with junctions. I am sure you already know about the sequence, which is the MSPSL: mirrors, signal, position, speed, look. These are the 5 things you need to do when you are dealing with junctions. So if you are going left, or if you are going right from a major road into a minor road, or if you are going left and right from a minor road into a major road, the sequence you need to do is mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. Now, how to put those into practice? There are videos on the channel where I have explained in great details how to put those into practice. But this video is just to remind you to memorize those 5 things. Many learners, and the reason they find it difficult to find time to put those into practice is because they haven't memorized it. And as soon as the examiner asks them to go left and to go right, they need to think. And by the time they think, they are either too close or they've missed the junction. And this is when, and the problem is because you haven't memorized it. So my advice to you, and the reason of this video, is to remind you to memorize those 5 things, okay? I keep saying to my learners, and I'm telling you that make sure you memorize those 5 things. These are mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. So for example, the examiner said for you to go left, look at the top and left mirror, signal left, make sure your position is good, make sure your speed is good, and make sure do a final check before you turn or before you go. So these are the 5 things. Unless you memorize, it will be difficult for you to have time to go left and go right, because by the time you are thinking, you are either too close or you have missed the junction. So this video is just to remind you to memorize those 5 things, okay? So that you have more time when you are dealing with junctions. How to put those into practice? I already have videos how to put those into practice. So look at the videos I have on the channel about how to go left and how to go right, how to emerge left, how to emerge right, how to put those into practice. You will learn more. But this video is not about how to put it into practice. It's about memorizing. I'm just reminding you to memorize those 5 things so that you have more time when you are dealing with junctions. Anyway, I hope this video helps to memorize those 5 things. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.